Now we add text to the clips, select the text, and as you can see, it is default on this site. Click the plus icon on the text, and as you can see, it appears on the screen. When editing, you can edit in this section and write what you want, like we are writing news for the hour. You can also drag the text and put it on any side you want. You can also change the color and the size. You can also select text effects and select the one you like. You can also select text templates and select the one you want. After selecting the text, you can readjust and resize and make them the way you want. These are the templates. If you select another template, let us look at how it appears. You can also edit the template for your favor. You can also select the titles and edit them.